Hello, we're going to assemble my version of an accordion box card. Now this card, due to the depth of it and stuff, you're not going to be able to mail it in an envelope. You're going to have to mail it in a box or just give it to somebody along with their gift. So here's all your little parts. This forms the accordion part. You'll have two boxes. I already put one of them together. You can see you can put stuff in these boxes like little candies or little cards with notes in them. Jewelry, that would be great. Anyway, you'll see how that works once we get it put together. Then this is the base, and this is the part that holds the boxes on the base. So let's get started by you're going to cut these, you're going to fold them on all the score lines, and you'll wind up with the smaller piece over here, and this slide goes down, and the larger piece over here with this going up, because we're going to put this on here to make one larger one. So let's put some tape on here. And then we're just going to slide this one right on there, right up next to the crease. So now you have one very long accordion folded piece, and use thin paper here, because the first one I made, I used the cardstock and it doesn't fold right. It makes the card really heavy. So use some thinner paper. Okay, next we're going to I'll put this over here. Next, we're going to put the box together. So once you've folded everything, I have some tape on here. So then you're just going to fold the box over and line this up with your score lines at the bottom and with the very edge. There we go. Then for the bottom part, fold them in. And I like the front one to fold over or under the back one. No, don't want to see it. That way it's going to be glued to the bottom, so it really doesn't matter which way you go with this. Fold this over and close the box. Okay, we have our two boxes done. Now we're going to bring the base down. And I have 3 layers here. So let's just, I put some tape on there. I'm forgetful. Here we go. Did I tape that? Nope. Then we're going to glue this on. Try to get it centered. I center it side to side, but I set it a little bit to the back. You can put it whatever works better for you. Okay, next we're going to take this, and we're going to take our two boxes, and we're going to stick these to the box. Should have done this a minute ago so they'd be drying. And I like the box to the front so they can see that they're supposed to open that. Then we're going to fold this up, and then we're going to glue this on these little tabs, just like that. Okay. Now to show you what this looks like, because gluing this on here, it's got to set for a while, and then this is designed to go underneath here so that when you put the boxes on, you can put a little greeting there or whatever you want to do there. Okay, so now we'll use one I already put together to show you what I finished up with. This on a spinner, I put a little belly band on it. You'll get all these files, the circles, so when you take the belly band off, there's your card. And if you put this, you can put this down here or whatever you want. It kind of covers up the thing from the front of the card. So anyway, there's your card. Happy cutting. Thanks for purchasing my file.